We have to find measure of angle 1, 2 and 3, and we have given diagram. On this diagram we see that these two lines are parallel because they have these triangles, and that two lines are parallel. So let's put that as A, B, C, D lines. And we have that A is parallel to B and C is parallel to D. So let's look first to these two parallel lines which are cut at this transversal line. We have to find angle 1. So because these two angles are consecutive interior angles, so we can use consecutive interior angles theorem, which tell us that the pairs of consecutive interior angles are supplementary when two parallel lines are cut by transversal. So we can write that by the consecutive interior angles theorem. Angle 1 and angle 70 degrees are supplementary. It means that measure of angle 1 plus angle 70 degrees is 180 degrees. So we had that measure of angle 1 is 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. So measure of angle 1 is 110 degrees. So we found measure of angle 1. What else? We see that these two lines are parallel, AB and CD, and they cross and give us this parallelogram. We have parallelogram, and because opposite sides are parallel, so it means that opposite angles are the same. So we found that angle 1 has 110 degrees. So it means that measure of angle 3 will be the same, 110 degrees, and measure of angle 2 will be the same like measure of angle of this angle. So this is 70 degrees. So we had that measure of angle 2 is equal 70 degrees and measure of angle 3 is 110 degrees. Or you can use again consecutive theorem angles to find angle 2, because now we have this two parallel line cut by this transversal. So the angles which are between these two parallel lines and on the same side of our transversal are supplementary. So again, you can use this theorem to find angles 2. So will be measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 is 180 degrees. Because we know measure of angle 1 is 110 degrees, so measure of angle 2 will be 70 degrees, well, like we said before. So it doesn't matter which method you use, you will get the same answer. This is my solution.